tonight I'm going to show to you how to clean the fish. So normally it's really difficult for some of the people to clean the fish, but today I'm going to clean the fish just to show to you how I cannot say it's easy, but it's kind of difficult. So let's do it. So now I'm going to clean this milkfish. It's the hardest fish to clean actually because they have a lot of scales. So I already cleaned the other one and I already eat it and even fried it. Just to make sure you haven't taken your shower yet. So it's okay to make mess on yourself. Just like me, I did not have shower yet. So I will clean the fish. Yeah, well, because it's been soaked for a long time. So you need to cut the belly just like this one, and make sure you really have a sharp knife. Okay, after you cut that one, you need to go right away here on the head and remove the gills like this. Doesn't matter how you will do it, as long as and then you pull it out just like that. So what I did, just there's a hole on the top of the gills, and then I just hook it with my finger just like that, and then you open the connecting part, the stomach, and then just take everything out with your fingers. It will look disgusting, but just scrape it off with your finger like this, like that. Then you can leave it on the sink, you can clean it later. So just to make sure there's nothing left, and run a little bit of water just to see it's really clean. So even there, and this is where the poops usually come out. Okay, it might sound disgusting, but we need to be realistic. See, you need to push, and if you want to clean it there, push with your finger there to clean it. It will clean the hole. Actually, there's no more intestine connecting to that. I already removed it. It's just the hole, the anus you call it. Oops. Now, so we're done with the gut. We already remove it. Now we will need to remove the scales. This is the most difficult part. Okay. Just make sure nothing will drip. It's really messy, this one, so make sure that you just do it on the one side of the kitchen, that you don't really care to dirt it. Okay, so we'll start now. So all the scales is they are, if you can see the scales, if you do like that with your knife, it's runs so smooth, the knife. But if you do like this, you see you can get get off the scale like this. Okay, so now I will do it really rough. So you see what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cover it with my hand and do it like this. That's how to shave off the scales. And you need to make sure that you don't hurt your fingers.
Actually, in the Philippines, you can ask them
to clean it for you, or you can buy already the ones that's already clean in the market. They're the one frozen fish that you can buy in the market, that they already remove all the scales, they debone it already. But since it's hard to find nowadays those kind, and the one that we usually buying, it's no more available. I don't know why they stopped reproducing that one for whatever reason, so that's why we end up buying this one. So it's available in the market. It's a lot of work, but please, when we really need to clean the fish in the future, you won't be really it will be handy to know at least how to clean the fish. You won't be ignorant. So that's why there are some people, or there are some nation, like I'm talking about not Filipino, when they see that we put this in the soup, the head of the fish, they're saying like, hey, disgusting. But hey guys, you need to look at it, it's already clean, you know, there's nothing to be discussed about. It's all clean. We remove all the gills and we remove all the gut, we eat the skins. So it's really messy, this one. It will go all over your kitchen. So it will be a big tidying up after that. I need to rest. It's tiring to remove the skins, huh? Need muscles. I'm about to finish. So it's just on the belly. So this one, since the other fish I already cooked it a while ago, and because I was hungry, I had it for dinner. I fry it, and this one I will do paksiw. It's a sour vinegar with a vinegar dish that we like to eat in the Philippines. So ouch! I just said be careful with the knife. Children at home, don't do this. So now it's clean. Sometimes I'm not good with the knife, you know. I can injure myself many times with the knife. So now, as you can see, no more scales. Okay, that's it. I will show you how I'll prepare the other cutting. Oh, there's still some. Usually it's the belly. It's difficult to get a good angle to shave them off the scales. So now, as you can see, this my cutting board is only for fish. So cutting it. So we need to remove this one here that we don't need. Or you can use this one. Oh, it's better. Nice job. Yeah. Oops. So on the other side, remove all this. I now this one, the hardest part. I don't know if you will be able to cut it. Sometimes I use my husband to cut this one. Oh, I was able to cut it. So, all that for throwing. And then we will cut like this. It depends on what dish you want to make. So, me, you see how clean it is? See, it's all clean. All clean. Oh, there's still some. I missed this. So, you need to remove those small little stuff like that. So, it's clean now. So, I have a nice music in the background. Really crying. That's it. Finish. That's how easy it is. I'm sweating actually. So I hope this video helps you how to clean the fish. So the next time your friends or family ask you how to clean the fish, you will tell them it's easy and you can do it by yourself. Bye-bye! A lot of work, huh? So we will magic. Beepity boppity boo. Chick!